In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online for Beginners 2025. By the end, you'll understand how to lay a solid foundation, handle your daily bookkeeping tasks, and customize QuickBooks so it actually works for your business, not against it. Let's start by setting up your financial foundation. Once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, head over to the Transactions section. This is where you'll connect your business bank and credit card accounts. When you link these accounts, QuickBooks will automatically pull in your transactions on a regular basis. That means you don't have to type everything in manually, and you'll have a clear, up-to-date view of your cash flow. Take a moment to double-check that you're connecting the right business accounts, not personal ones, and review the starting date so you're not importing years of old data you don't need. Next, you'll want to set up your chart of accounts. Think of this as the master list of all the buckets your money can go into: income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. QuickBooks provides a default chart based on your business type, and for many beginners, that's a great starting point. From there, you can add new accounts or rename existing ones to better match how you think about your business. For example, you might separate advertising from general marketing, or create specific accounts for different types of income. The more clearly this list reflects your real operations, the easier your reports will be to understand later. Now, add your customers and vendors. If you already have lists in a spreadsheet, you can import them using a CSV file to save time. Otherwise, add them manually as you go. For each customer or vendor, fill in as many details as you reasonably can, like billing addresses and payment terms. This information will automatically flow into your invoices and bills, which keeps everything consistent. With the foundation in place, you're ready to manage daily transactions. Start by adding the products and services you sell. Go to the section where you manage products and services and create an item for each thing you regularly bill for. Include a clear name, a description your customers will understand, and a standard price if you have one. This speeds up invoicing and helps keep your records uniform. To create and send invoices, go to Sales, then Invoices, and choose the option to create a new one. Select your customer, pick the products or services from the list you just created, adjust quantities and prices if needed, and set a due date that matches your normal payment terms. QuickBooks lets you email the invoice directly, and you can enable online payments so customers can pay by card or bank transfer. Before sending, review the invoice layout and wording to make sure it looks professional and clear. When it comes to paying bills, you don't have to enter every one by hand. Many bills can be forwarded to a dedicated email address provided by QuickBooks, which automatically creates a bill for you to review. Once it appears in your account, check the vendor, amount, and due date, then schedule the payment. This helps you stay on top of what you owe, avoid late fees, and keep your records complete. Finally, let's customize and optimize your experience so QuickBooks is easy to use day to day. Start with your dashboard. This is the first screen you see when you log in, and you can rearrange the widgets so the most important information is front and center. For example, you might move your profit and loss summary, bank balances, or overdue invoices to the top. The goal is to make the dashboard answer your most common questions at a glance. If you have regular, predictable expenses like rent, software subscriptions, or loan payments, set these up as recurring transactions. This tells QuickBooks to create them automatically on a schedule you choose. You still have the option to review them, but you won't have to remember to enter them every month. This is a simple way to reduce errors and keep your books consistent. Lastly, don't forget about the mobile app. Download the QuickBooks app on your phone or tablet and sign in with the same account. From there, you can snap photos of receipts right when you get them, create and send invoices while you're on the go, and quickly check your balances and recent activity. Using the app alongside the web version helps you stay organized without waiting to get back to your computer. Follow these steps, and you'll have a clean, well-organized QuickBooks Online setup that supports your business and makes bookkeeping much more manageable.